Hi, this is a quick video just showing how I got rid of a really annoying sort of creaking noise that seemed to be coming from the lower left part of the dash here, or lower left of the windshield part of the dash. And I did take apart the dash, or try and get inside the dash a little bit, and everything seemed tight and snug. Nothing was obviously rattling. So the quick fix for me was to put a piece of just fuel hose and jam it between the dash and the windshield from about here over to here. And it's a little bit hard to see, so I'll just kind of see if I can pull it out and put it back in again. So just a piece of regular fuel hose, something like that, and it's probably about 1.5 feet, and then it's just kind of pretty firmly poke down here, and then you're really not able to see it, and totally got rid of that really annoying creak. Hope it works for you too.